Imagine, the road calls, horizons beckon, and every new day is a new adventure. You wake up surrounded by nature, drink coffee while watching the sunrise over the mountains, or fall asleep to the sound of waves. This isn't a dream, it's a reality a motorhome can offer. And today, on the OLVI Life channel, we'll dive into the world of two true exhibition stars, two contenders for your heart and your perfect vacation. The Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure and the Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg. Before us are two masterpieces of German motorhome engineering. Hymer is always about innovation, reliability, and attention to detail. Their Exsis-T 580 Pure is a prime example of this philosophy. Light, maneuverable, designed for those who appreciate clean lines and functionality. And then there's Knaus with its Sky TI 650 Meg, offering a completely different but no less attractive concept. It's about coziness, spaciousness, and thoughtful comfort for the whole family. Today, we'll dissect them to understand which one will become your ideal travel companion. Let's start with what immediately catches the eye, the dimensions and exterior. The Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure is built on a Fiat Ducato chassis and embodies elegance and compactness. Its length is just 694 centimeters, width 220 centimeters, and height 283 centimeters. This makes it incredibly maneuverable and easy to drive. It will go where larger counterparts might struggle. Look at these smooth lines. The integrated design is not just a motorhome, it's a work of art optimized for efficient aerodynamics. Now let's look at the Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg. It's also based on the Fiat Ducato, but with a length of 694 centimeters, a width of 232 centimeters, and a height of 279 centimeters. It feels more imposing. These extra centimeters in width and height immediately promise more interior space. Its design is more classic yet modern and muscular. Both models offer beautiful exterior aesthetics, but their philosophies differ. Hymer aims for compact efficiency, while Knaus focuses on maximum comfort. Stepping inside, and here's where the real differences begin. The Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure greets us with a bright, airy space. The lounge area is very thoughtfully organized. The driver and passenger seats easily swivel to form a cozy living room, along with an L-shaped sofa and an additional side seat. The table is height and position adjustable, which is very convenient for various scenarios, from dining to working. The interior is done in light colors, which visually expands the space and creates a sense of lightness. The quality of materials and assembly is top-notch. Every detail exudes German meticulousness. Moving on to the Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg. Here, a warmer and more classic atmosphere awaits us. The layout also includes swivel seats and a comfortable L-shaped sofa, but the configuration might be slightly different, offering more versatility in some trims. Knaus focuses on coziness and durability, using richer wood and textile tones. The table here is also functional, and the overall feeling is that of a true home on wheels, where you can relax after a busy day. The choice between these two models, in terms of the lounge, is more a matter of personal preference. Some might prefer Hymer's bright minimalism, while others might lean towards Knaus' warm coziness. The kitchen in a motorhome isn't just a place for cooking, it's the heart of life where the whole family gathers. In the Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure, we see a compact yet incredibly functional kitchen area. It includes a 3-burner gas hob, a deep stainless steel sink, and a fairly large refrigerator with a freezer compartment, approximately 42 liters in volume. Thanks to thoughtful storage solutions, pull-out drawers, overhead cabinets, you can easily store all necessary supplies. Everything is compact, yet convenient for preparing full meals. And what about the Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg? Here, the kitchen is also meticulously designed. We have a similar 3-burner hob, a spacious sink, and a refrigerator up to 142 liters in volume. Knaus often offers slightly more countertop space or more diverse storage solutions, such as additional compartments or deeper drawers. It's important to note that both kitchens are equipped with quality appliances and reliable mechanisms. The difference lies only in the nuances of ergonomics and space organization, which might be important to you. After a busy day, it's so important to get a good night's sleep. In the Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure, we find a very popular and convenient layout. two separate single beds in the rear, which can easily transform into one large double bed if needed. This offers incredible flexibility. Everyone can sleep on their own side without disturbing the other, or you can create a giant sleeping space for maximum comfort. Around the beds, there are numerous cabinets, shelves, and thoughtful lighting. In the Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg, we also find a solution with two single beds that can be combined if desired. However, Knaus often offers the option of an additional drop-down bed over the lounge area, which increases the number of sleeping berths and makes it ideal for larger families or groups. Each model offers its own approach to nighttime rest, but both guarantee comfort and functionality. Here's how the sleeping areas look. Notice how effectively every centimeter of space is utilized. Even far from civilization, you want to feel comfortable, and in this regard, both motorhomes will not disappoint. The bathroom in the Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure is designed as a combined, but very cleverly planned unit. It features a swivel toilet, a convenient sink, and a full-fledged shower area. Despite its compactness, there's enough space to shower without feeling cramped. All materials are moisture resistant and the ventilation system is well thought out. The fresh water tank capacity is approximately 120 litres and the wastewater tank is 90 litres, ensuring good autonomy.
In the Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg, the bathroom also offers a full range of amenities. Depending on the configuration, the shower can be either combined or, more often with Knaus, separate, which is a big plus for many travellers. This adds comfort and prevents the entire bathroom from getting wet during a shower. The fresh water tank capacity is also approximately 120 litres, and the wastewater tank is 95 litres, comparable to Hymer. Both models offer a high level of hygiene and comfort on the go, but Knaus can boast a slightly more spacious shower.
A motorhome trip is always about freedom, which means you need to bring everything necessary for your hobbies. In this regard, the Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure offers an excellent rear garage, accessible from both sides. It's spacious enough for two bicycles, a camping table and chairs, as well as other bulky equipment. The opening is large, which is very convenient for loading and unloading. The Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg is also equipped with a spacious rear garage, and it's often slightly taller or wider, which can be a decisive factor for those planning to transport large equipment such as a kayak or several bicycles. Both models offer ample space for your luggage, but Knaus, thanks to its slightly larger dimensions, might provide a bit more free space in the garage. Keep this in mind when choosing if you have a lot of sports equipment or gear.
No matter how luxurious the interior, a motorhome must be comfortable and safe on the road. The Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure, thanks to its compactness and optimized weight, demonstrates excellent handling. It's responsive, takes turns easily, and poses no difficulties even on narrow European roads. The basic 14 horsepower engine provides sufficient dynamics for comfortable driving both on highways and in the mountains. Fuel consumption for this model is very moderate. The Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg, though slightly larger, is also built on a reliable Fiat Ducato chassis and boasts excellent driving characteristics. Its slightly greater width gives a sense of stability on the road, and the powerful engine, also from 140 HP in the base, effortlessly handles a full load. Both motorhomes are equipped with modern safety systems, ABS, ESP, airbags. The choice between them in this aspect comes down to your driving style. Hymer will offer a bit more lightness and maneuverability, while Knaus will give a feeling of solidity and stability at high speeds.
So we've come to one of the most important questions: price and overall impression. The Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure is a premium product starting from approximately 94,000 euros. For this price, you get impeccable German quality, a light and maneuverable motorhome, meticulously designed with a modern, bright interior. It's an ideal choice for a couple or a small family who values compactness, aesthetics.
The Knaus Sky TI 650 Meg is usually in a similar price range, also starting from approximately 95,000 euros, but might be slightly more accessible in its base configuration, while offering a bit more space and possibly more options for winter use or additional sleeping berths. Is an excellent option for families who need a maximally comfortable and functional home on wheels, ready for any adventure. Both of these motorhomes are excellent representatives of their class. The choice between them will depend on your personal priorities. If maximum maneuverability, lightness, and an elegant, bright design are important to you, then the Hymer Exsis-T 580 Pure is your favorite. If you're looking for a bit more interior space, options for a larger family, and appreciate classic coziness, then the Knaus Sky TI 650 MHz might be the ideal solution.
Let's summarize. And remember, the best motorhome is the one that perfectly suits you and your adventures. We hope this detailed review helped you navigate the world of motorhomes and choose your ideal companion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the OLVI Live channel, and leave your comment. Which motorhome would you choose and why? Share your travel dreams. See you on the roads of freedom.